Hello everyone, welcome to Next Cart. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to migrate your store data from WooCommerce to BigCommerce. The process is straightforward once broken down. On the screen, you'll notice two main sections, the source cart and the target cart. The source cart represents your current platform, which in this case is WooCommerce, and the target cart is where your data will be transferred to BigCommerce. First, you'll need to enter the URL of your WooCommerce store here in the Source Store URL field. Below that, you'll see a section for the Kit Connect package. This is a special connection tool that helps synchronize your data securely between the two platforms. Now, for the source cart setup, you'll want to head over to your WooCommerce site. As you can see, I'm already on my WooCommerce dashboard here. Next, to show you what the store looks like, just click on Demo Store at the top of the page. You can see my demo store here. All you have to do is copy this URL from the address bar. Alright, now that we've got the link, let's head back to the Next Cart tab and paste it right here into the Source Store URL field. Next up, we'll need this Kit Connect file. You can just click right here to download it automatically. Once it's done, you'll see the zipped file. All you have to do is unzip it. In this folder, there are two files like this. Now, we need to upload this Kit Connect folder to FileZilla or cPanel to transfer files from your computer to the server, ensuring updates are applied live. You can download a free FileZilla from Google. As you can see, I've already got it installed, and this is what the interface looks like. All you need to do now is drag your unzipped Kit Connect folder, which contains two files inside to the right panel, just like I'm doing here. Once the transfer is complete, FileZilla will let you know. You'll either see a file transfer successful message at the top here, or a notification at the bottom of the screen. To check if Kit Connect has successfully connected to your web store, just click on the blue Kit Connect URL link. If it's successful, you'll see this message confirming that the connection has been successfully installed. Alright, the WooCommerce side is all done. Now, let's switch over to BigCommerce. In the target cart setup, it will need four things: your store URL, API path, client ID, and access token. Okay. As you can see, I'm in the home section of BigCommerce. You click the channel in the bottom left. In Storefronts, you will see your blue link store here. All you have to do is select all this and copy it. Come back to Next Cart, paste it in here. Next, we move back to BigCommerce once again. On the bottom left, you'll go into your settings, scroll down a little bit, and then click on Store Level API Accounts in API field. From here, you'll click on Create API Account at the top and give it a name. For this video, I'm just going to name it WooCommerce to BigCommerce. Scroll down and pick 8 settings, as I will pick in here, and change them to Modify. After you've transferred the settings done, hit Save to create the BigCommerce API. Once that's done, BigCommerce API credentials table will appear immediately, and at the same time, the file contains all the 3 API configuration that we need to fill in. Now we head back to the Next Cart tab to paste them. API path is the last line. Client ID is on the 3rd line. And access token is on the 1st line. Everything's all set now. You click on Next Step to move on to the configuration part of the migration. Now you're on the configuration screen. Under Entities Selection, you'll choose the types of data you want to migrate. You can check individual boxes like products or orders, but since I want to transfer everything, I'm just going to click Select All. Since this is just a demo, you can't select the reviews and coupons. Down to the Additional Options section, I'll pick 3 options as Clear data on your target store before the migration, Import descriptions, images to your target store, and Migrate SEO URLs of categories, products, posts, and pages. In the default shop section, it automatically selects my default shop on BigCommerce. In the order status mapping section, pending payment will be mapped to awaiting payment, processing will be mapped to awaiting fulfillment, and on hold will be mapped to awaiting shipment. I'll keep the first 3 statuses as they are. As for failed, I change it to declined. With that done, just click Next Step to move on to the final part of the migration. In this process, the migration will begin, and I'll speed up the video a little bit to show you how all the data is being transferred. And just like that, once the migration is complete, you'll see this notification. That covers all the steps for migrating your data from WooCommerce to BigCommerce by using NextCart. Now, let's head over to BigCommerce and check if all entities are covered. I want to check products first. Yes, 6 products are here. Categories look like normal. The order is fine. One is in awaiting payment and other one is in completed. Everything is in place and nothing is missing. Perfect! I hope this video has helped you easily migrate your data between these 2 platforms. If you're happy with the demo, you can go ahead and try the Pro version. If you're having any issues or have questions, just send a help desk ticket. Our technicians will be more than happy to help and sort out any issues you might have. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!